Hi, good family. I'm back with another mail call. Look at that. That's so cute, right? Lazy Days Ahead with Jesse and Lisa had a New Year's Eve live, and I won this cookbook, Cooking for the Man Cave. They included this card, and it says, "Howdy y'all, congrats on your win. Hoping you are able to use this book and make lots of videos with what you make. Much love, Lisa and Jesse." And guess what? We're going to do that right now. All right, fam. So this is a super easy recipe. You put the onions in, you put the meat in, and you pour the sauce over, and you let it cook for 4 to 6 hours on high. I cooked ours for 6 hours, and let me tell you, I had to make this twice in 1 week. Everyone loved it. We normally smoke it, so that was a win. All right, fam, I'm going to leave the recipe in the description box. You guys let me know if you try it, okay, and what you think.